What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So now I'll be pulling the gearbox now for you guys to see that it was actually stock gears I was running on this thing, and on top of that I was throwing ridiculous amount of timing on this gearbox setup. The parts are here, you know, laid out, ready to be freshened up and cooked. But yes, I'll be pulling the gearbox now so you guys can see firsthand that these were actually stock gears. No cap, no lying. So right now the next move is to throw the reinforced gears back in. I'm turning the gearbox this way because there's a screw that's actually under here, which I stripped it like a few years back, because truth be told I've had this car for 2 years now. So in the beginning when I got it and I was building it and, you know, maintaining the car and stuff like that, I did strip that. But yeah, we're going to be pulling the gearbox now so we can actually see what type of damages we have done or have not done. So let's take a look, guys. Let's take everything as it is. It can be a bit stubborn. Okay, there we go. So let me see. Alright, so I'm kind of making a little bit of a mess here. But yes, this is the gearbox housing. As you can see, loaded with dirt as usual. But okay, let's inspect our stock gears, and I will be referring these gears to the reinforced ones, and these are actually brand new. So we're gonna see if there has been any wear and tear to that. Okay, so let's see what's going on now. Alright. Okay guys, so far so good where the teeth are concerned with the differential. I was thinking to actually change the setup, but if there is actually no wear and tear where that's concerned, I don't think I am going to trouble it. Because, you know, Jamaican people say, you know, if it no need for fix, don't trouble it, you know, something like that. Kind of forget the saying right now. But yeah, I don't think I'll be installing those for now. I believe in this and these are the bearings that I want to upgrade, but I am wondering if they're still good. Let's see if I can get the camera to focus. They seem to be good. So yes guys, let me check out the other one that literally withstands most of the pressure and transfer the power straight down from the motor to the differential. Let's check that one to see. We're going to match it with our reinforced gear here, which is quite new. I haven't really run it yet. It's still new and fresh. There's a bearing inside of it, but yeah, I haven't really run it yet. So we're still looking good, and as I said before, I've been running ridiculous amount of timing on this gear setup. Catch it to focus, guys, sorry about that. Yeah, I've been running ridiculous amount of timing on this, and you know, we're not looking too bad. So I think I'm going to go ahead and slap these back into the car, into the gearbox, and you know, put some more fresh gear oil inside of it, and yeah, back to do as usual. So anyway guys, like, share, subscribe.